Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got a quick and handy Windows 11 tutorial for you. If you have ever wondered how to pin items beside the power button on Windows 11, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, we will show you how to do it. To begin, open the Start menu by clicking on the Start button or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Open Windows Settings. Choose the Personalization option located in the right pane. Now, click on Start. Scroll down and locate the Folders section and select it. Here, you can enable the items you want to appear at the bottom of your Start menu. Your custom items are now just a click away from the Start menu, making it incredibly easy to open your preferred folders. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.